Hi, I'm Domenico Iannidinardo. I'm the CEO of Strategic Natural Resource Group. I'm here with Claes Drougge, CEO of ACC Group. How many years ago did you really consider that the world needed to get serious about ultra heavy lift, uncrewed aerial vehicles?
I would say about 10 years ago, we came to the conclusion that we would be able to replace or complement a manned helicopter. We are now commissioning the first production unit of one of our models, and that is the Thunder Wasp that can carry approximately 400kg payload.
This is clearly going to change the way cargo and supplies are delivered globally. I'm here with Strategic Natural Resource Group because of our partnership with Fireswarm to focus on wildfire suppression.
We feel that we can really have an impact on the environment by being able to suppress the wildfires much faster, much safer than today's methods.
Yes.
With much higher precision. We can fly 24/7, we can fly when it's dark, and of course the most important thing is for us that we can save lives, human lives. We can save assets, and we save the forest. We are now really starting up, moving from the first production units, the prototypes, into real production. We have both the right partners in our own facility, and we're expanding the facilities. So we believe that in a year from now, there will be some serious aircraft industry.
Well, thank you so much, Claes, for hosting us here. We hope to see you in Canada soon.